The reason that our captors keep doing these resets, like the Tartarian Mud Flood and the 2030 Great Reset, is because eventually we always remember. Fortunately for us, our Book of Life, or DNA, has all the old chapters still written in it, and they don't know how to get those chapters out. What they do instead is genetically modify us so we turn into different beings. We used to be much different than we are today. They also tell us that all of that DNA that stores the ancestors' memories is junk, so we don't look into it. They also put RNA and DNA blockers on the genetic chain so it turns off a bunch of our DNA. This limits our lifespan, intelligence, melanation, and much more. But like I said, lucky enough for us, we always end up remembering, because all that DNA is still there. And some of us even know how to turn it back on and access those memories. And what happens every now and then is there's a critical mass of remembrance, which then automatically leads to us turning our superpowers back on. It always starts with one person who then electrically activates other people to start remembering as well. They start tapping into these memories and then they start telling other people about it. Meanwhile, that morphogenetic field is being activated to turn all of us back on so we can wake up. Their only answer to this is to wipe out civilization, burn all the books in the library, rewrite history, and throw anyone that disagrees into an insane asylum. This is what happened during the Tartarian mud floods. Although they keep many of the old buildings, and this is our biggest key to understanding what happened in the past. All the churches, state buildings, and banks are a key to understanding those buildings, the technology, and our true human history. Who knows how many times they've reset things since Atlantis? What we have to do is get ahead of their reset and stop them before they hit the button. Therefore, we must all tap into Christ consciousness and bring this secret information to the mainstream so all people can see it all at once.